gardeners. Today I will be showing you the easiest method to grow Mirabilis jalapa or Sandhyapus by its seeds. I got seeds from Alka Garden in 3 different colors, that is of pink, white and yellow. You can see the seeds. I mixed them all because I will be spreading them in lawn. So this was the seeds, and I soaked the seeds in water for 24 hours. Before soaking also, I have kept the seeds with haldi in sun for 24 to 48 hours for getting rid of fungal infection, if any. You can see the almost all the seeds have settled down and few seeds are floating, but you can see the swelling in the size of seeds. So if given few more hours, they all will settle down. If not, then please remove the seeds which are floating, but you need to wait at least for 36 hours for this one. I will just show you the size comparison between the swollen one and not swollen one. You can see this is a swollen seed and this is dried seed, like this. Now for preparing the potting mix for seeds, you just need to have 70% of soil, 30% of sand, and you can add some amount of coco peat, but I do not recommend coco peat because it doesn't support the root structure. Now you can see this one is all set. Now I will be spreading the seeds evenly on this one. It may take the time varyingly, and it can vary up to 1 month also, but the probable time is of the germination is 7 days. In 7 to 8 days, almost all the seedlings will sprout. Seeds will sprout. You need to water it daily. The soil should be wet, and you can keep it in full shade if it is summer or temperature is not too low. But in winter season, you must cover it with a polythene and keep indoors after sunset. Mirabilis is a flowering plant, so the fertilizers need to be of all the 3 types, NPK and other micronutrients. So I will be showing you my plants also because I got the seeds very earlier, means it's almost 1.5 years from now. I will be showing you. I got a full lawn of this one. You can see. Now you need to just see the pointed end has to be on the upper side, and you just need to press it down the soil like this. Now I've spread an inch thick soil on the seeds after aligning them with tip on the upper side, and now I will be sprinkling the water, and I will be keeping it with high oxygen giving plants like tulsi in my case, or you can choose any plant of your convenience. Now I will be showing you the plants which I have grown in my lawn. This is the growth of the seeds. You can see how many plants are there, and I have not even intentionally grown it or sown it. They have grown by their own after falling down from the plants. Now I will be explaining you the method how to you have to interchange or interlock the stems with each other. You can see this is a tuber of Mirabilis jalapa. You can see the well formed tuber, this one. You can see the thickness, and I will not be uprooting it because I don't want to disturb the tuber, and the plants will come from there only. This was for you all. So now the Mirabilis plant is there. You can see these are the 2 stems. So now what I will do, I will just cross link it. The plant are very tender and very moldable, so you just need to bring the ends and the stems closer and keep it like this. Now this is done. Accordingly you can do with all the plants which you have. See, like this, Once the plants grows and it gives out stems, I will be doing it with all the plants which is present out here. You can see the growth has been declined due to the grazing of cows which attacked few days before. At this point of time, I would like to request you all to please like my video and subscribe my channel to support me and my efforts. Thank you.